Hey everybody, hello, 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 and welcome, 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 one and all to Animation Capstone. That's right. Oh, sorry about that. Of course, when you start your first video of the day and your throat is totally parched. It's usually how it goes. So, just to give you a heads up for week 6. I want you to take the feedback that you got from your grades this week. Everything should be up to date, ready to go. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I got your back about that feedback. But there's no real lecture, any extra tips for the rest of this week. So I want you to get into your assignments, finish up what you can, finish up your discussions. I added some posts to your discussions today, so a lot of good things there. Well done. And I learned some things today too, so thank you for that. I appreciate that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Be safe, have fun. Do keep an eye, just some announcements to give you a heads up. Tonight is your discussion post. Tomorrow is your feedback for your final for your first 30 seconds. So that's important too. And that's pretty much it. Otherwise, I will be posting the lectures and everything ready to go for that time. And then we will continue. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, and enjoy. And I'll see everybody ready for next week's lecture. That's right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know if you need anything. Do keep an eye out for that, and that's pretty much it. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, and I'll see everybody for next week. So if you have any questions about the assignments, let me know. I got your back. Enjoy, my friends.